gonna say hi to everybody?
Hi.
And the reason, talk about her length, how her installation went, and the price you paid.
Sure. Let's see. She measured at about 9 inches. The total cost was about $785, and her install took about 29 hours over 4 days.
You traveled to Milwaukee, right?
Yep.
Took about, so it's about an hour and a half both ways, and then it took her how long to retie it?
I believe the first retie was about 3.5 hours.
Okay, and this is her second retie, right?
Yes.
Your experience with her retie, with the last consultant and then with me?
We were okay with the last retie, but she really struggled. Maya really struggles with some sensory things, so she has sat amazingly well for Nita and done a fantastic job. Nita's been super patient with her and super kind, and Maya's done really, really well.
Yay! I'm so thankful for you giving me a chance and being my first client. Yay. I'm so excited. Thank you.
Thank you.
And things like that. Hi. Are you excited about getting your hair done? Do you like your Sisterlocks? Are we almost done? Sisterlocks?
I love them. Best decision we've ever made.
Okay, what made you get them?
I think a lot of it was a convenience factor. I like that we can just kind of get up and go in the morning, that she can do styles if she wants them, but that it's not a big time commitment every day.
Okay, so you were saying something about how you kind of was changing your mind and you didn't know for sure if that's the decision you wanted to make.
Mm-hmm.
Can you say something about that?
Yeah. I just was kind of hesitant about doing them because I felt like maybe I was taking the easy way out, so that I didn't have to do her hair every day, but I've learned that it's really just the best decision for her. It makes it easier for her every day, but we still have the option to do more styles and things like that.
Okay, so how do you like braiding and banding and using the Sisterlock shampoo?
Super easy and it's super quick. I think start to finish, with separating the locks afterwards, it takes me maybe an hour to an hour and a half. It's super fast, super easy.
Okay.
Hey sis, you need to sit down.
Okay, are you ready to finish your hair? You got halfway done, and now she wants to play a little bit. Okay, come on, Maria.
Come finish up.
Yes, you can try. Woo, okay, that's enough. Woo, look at this, spraying Sisterlock. No. You want to say something? You can't move it. You gotta make it still like that. Do you look cute? No.
Let me just spray.
Addicted to the spray. So how you liking it? Okay, that's
Good.
enough spray.
My hair is pretty. You did a great job with my hair.
I'm glad you like it.
It's so pretty.
Aww, you're so pretty.
Mama, look at my hair.
It looks beautiful. I
We
love
did it. I
it.
can't believe it.
I look just like me.
You look just like you. Yes, you do. You look beautiful. Just like you. Just like me.
You're all done. Are you happy?
Watch.
Ooh, supermodel. Yes. 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 She's like, what are you laughing at? She's like, what are you? It just looks so good. I can't believe it.
Awesome.
We made.
Oh, wait, she did it.
Ooh.
Expecting this.
Oh, wait, hold on. I wasn't ready for this picture.
Gone on you with the pick and roll, younger flame hit mode.